And then I bought a welcome to my crib.
Crib? What are you fucking?
It's the one with the duck.
Yeah, let me the one with the duck. We all know the one with the duck. That was weak. Slightly. Hey, he's that low. He's scraping. And don't do donuts.
It's the roof. Because it's fucking plastic. It's held on by some limbs, bro. Oh yeah. Nice scratch.
Guys, watch this.
Oh yeah.
This bitch getting copyrighted.
Oh yeah. Where are we going? Oh, we going this way.
No clue. Couldn't tell. But they can holler at your boy. Get it in the truck.
I didn't see anything. They are jack shit. I have brand new BF Goodriches on. Oh my god. Look him.
Jeeps get it, dude.
What the fuck? Holy shit! Oh my fuck!
I can't see
fucking anything.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
That's what Noah said. Hold on, I'm fucking about.
Hold on, I'm fucking about.
Just gonna wait a second, I can't see anything.
I don't think it's happy at all.
You should put your seatbelt on. The lights have shown up, and I don't feel anything like this. I think we're good.
I got no memory.
What's happening?
Bounce, baby, make it bounce. Work that, bounce, baby, make it bounce.
What? Buddy!
Hey, let me in. I need content.
Slowpoke Crew content.
Yeah, this is content. I need content.
Hey, look, wait for me.
I feel like I just got into the weird kids one. Fuck.
Bed bugs.
You've been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that it's shine, I've had you waiting.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, that is my life 360 with autism. Stop trying to
Try to fucking drive. I'm getting failed back here, brother.
Treat you right, here is where you wanna be. I know the
How cooked is our alignment? How cooked's the alignment? This video is getting copyrighted so quick.
It's true, they know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too. And now it's me. Now baby, I've been waiting. You're gonna make it like you know. Baby, tell me
Huh? Flat tire? Fucking fashion.
Flat tire? Hardly heard of her. I don't think these tires even have tread.
I don't think it's that.
Good content, seeing some flat ass tires.
You want to see it?
Fuck yeah, dude.
Hey, that's a dirt bike track.
Trying not to get impaled back here. Oh. Did you have it in 4?
Maybe 100? Oh no. It's not
Big's back there, baby. Maybe stop wearing it.
I had it.
uncle. Are we deadads?
Should we? God.
I was hiding nowhere, just wasting my time, and I don't care. Lately it feels just fine. I lost
Rip it? Wait, hold it, and then I'm gonna stomp on it. Hey. Oh shit.
How'd that work out?
Who the fuck is texting me at this hour?
No, that's calls, retard.
No, fucking texting, dickhead.
Why is your shit different?
You want to just try to yank it?
It's that fucking clip.
You just try to yank it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Damn, bro.
Longest.
Like it's not supposed to come off.
Hey, let's go back. Let's hit it.
I think I got it.
There you go.